Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/the Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you.
How you doing? This is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got something interesting. Check this out. This came out of it's called My Ramen Box. You can go to myramenbox.com and for 20 bucks, you'll get a box of various instant noodles, and this was one of them. This is from the Russian Federation. Pretty slick. I've never had this before. And it's 20 bucks a box, and if you use the coupon code The Ramen Raider, you get half off your first box. That's pretty sweet. As for shipping, I'm not sure. But definitely look into it. myramenbox.com. Cool deal. And it was a really neat assortment. I was impressed. So, what we got here? It's 2 minutes, 400 mils, and 2 minutes for some Russian ramen. So, let's just pull this out this way a little bit. And here comes the noodles. And we got a vegetable sachet, it looks like. Come on now, come on. Oh. So what is the Russian Federation? Isn't that Belarus? Oh, there's little bits. There's like TVP meat. Yeah, it's just definitely like Doshirak. So this stuff's weird because it certainly looks like, when all's said and done, this is a Paldo product. But I'll show you something that made me kind of like go, wait, is this even Paldo? Yeah. Well, let me show you that. So oh yeah, in 3 minutes. No, 2 minutes. That was the weird thing about this one. Like the 2-minute noodles, made famous in India. So, if you look right, see this logo right here? So that little logo there looks a lot like the Ajinomoto logo, but it's not. It's different. But I believe these to be actually made by South Korean company Paldo. I will have to find out, and luckily, as I'm sure if you've been following my reviews lately, I have no problem talking to Paldo. So that a little bit. Poor Miles is sick. He's home from school today, and it was raining this morning. Doesn't really matter if he's home. I can't really go on a 7 to 10 mile walk around town, and so that's a bummer. But I'm more bummed that he didn't feel good. But he seems to be feeling better now. Really didn't want to take any medicine for it. He was like, no. Screaming, running away. But I think he got a little bit down, and that helped him out. So that is good. Gotta get feeling better. Which means, hopefully, It also said this morning we were supposed to have possible thunderstorms. God. But if all ends up well for Thursday for me to go on a walk, that'll mean I've been able to go out walking 2 times in the last 3 weeks. Drive me freaking nuts. Alright, so here we are. Let's have a look, see? Can you see that? Sure you can. So Russian Federation made noodles. And now, I did mention these are most likely, I think I ended up finding out they are definitely made by Paldo. But those are definitely not Korean instant noodle gauge noodles, which is interesting. Nice little tooth on those. So yeah, see those little bits? Weird TVP. And it's got like, it's mild chicken flavor. It's not spicy. No spicy. That's pretty good. I'll say it's pretty good. It's not, I'm not going like, oh my god, that's the best thing I've ever had. But it's pretty good. Alright. And we'll do a couple mung bean sprouts. Just a little bit right there. Some sprouts. Some oignons, as it said on the package. And then drop an egg on. Right about there. Come on, egg. Well, that's how to drop an egg in. Egg tail. You even see the bowl? Yeah, you can kind of see it. You certainly can't see these noodles so much, so let's fix that. And it's chicken flavor. There's some chicken. And we got some bye-bye mild. And maybe a little bit of sesame seed, I guess. I think that was way too much on the other stuffs. Okay. You know, I don't like these here. I really don't like all that. I think what I'm gonna do there we go. Pardon me for a moment while I bathe my chicken. Yeah, it just felt necessary. Fact. Yeah, something like that. Works for me. Yeah, a nice little bowl of chicken noodles. Not the most amazing thing I've ever had in my life, but definitely pretty good. Yeah, this came in my ramen box. I believe they're out of South Carolina, which is like, wow. All right, Rotato, do your stuff, do your deal. Cool. This has been Hans the Ramen Rater, wishing you enjoyment in your noodles every day. Have a good one and bye.